Today I'm going to show you how to get the Upwork Rising Talent Badge, which is a special recognition that helps new freelancers stand out and win more projects on the platform. This badge signals to potential clients that you're a promising talent worth hiring even if you're relatively new to Upwork. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. Now, here's something crucial you need to understand before we proceed. The Rising Talent Badge isn't something you can manually apply for or request. Instead, Upwork awards it automatically when your account meets their specific requirements. So what we're going to do is ensure your profile is fully optimized to qualify for this badge. Once you're logged in, look over to the right panel of your dashboard. You'll see an option that says Complete Your Profile. Click on this to begin the process of filling out all the necessary sections that Upwork evaluates when considering profiles for the Rising Talent Badge. Now you'll be presented with several profile sections that need your attention. These include your working style, employment history, portfolio, education, video introductions, certifications, linked accounts, and other experiences. Each of these sections plays a vital role in demonstrating your professionalism and expertise to potential clients. Take your time going through each one and fill them out as thoroughly and accurately as possible. The more complete and detailed your profile is, the better your chances of receiving the badge. Your working style section helps clients understand how you approach projects and communicate. Fill this out thoughtfully to showcase your professional approach. Next, add your employment history to demonstrate your relevant experience and background. This builds credibility even if you're new to freelancing. Your portfolio is especially important as it provides tangible proof of your skills and capabilities. Upload your best work samples that clearly showcase what you can deliver. Don't skip the video introduction either. This personal touch helps clients connect with you and see the person behind the profile. Add your education credentials, any certifications you've earned, and link relevant professional accounts like LinkedIn or GitHub if applicable. Finally, include any other experiences that might be relevant to the services you're offering on Upwork. Now, beyond completing your profile, there are two additional criteria you need to meet. You must maintain a 4.8 or higher average rating from clients, and you need to have earned at least $250 USD in the last 12 months. These metrics demonstrate that you're not only active on the platform, but also delivering quality work that satisfies clients. Once you've completed all these requirements, Upwork's algorithm will automatically review your profile and award you the Rising Talent Badge if you qualify. This usually happens within a few days to a few weeks after meeting all the criteria. And that's everything you need to know about getting the Upwork Rising Talent Badge. Focus on building a complete professional profile and delivering excellent work to your clients, and the badge will come naturally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.